I'm Miles Morgan, and today we're working on the Worcester Green Star 30 SI. I've been doing the Masterful Engineering online boiler training, and now I'm doing some hands-on training with my father, Coach Tony Morgan. One of the key things I picked up was the boiler parts familiarisation module on the online training. So my dad is going to call out some letters, and I'm going to identify the parts which match them letters. Now we're going to take the case off. There's a screw here and also one on the other side. And there's two more screws on the top on either side. So to remove this case, you just got to slide it up, wangling it about. Like so.
Okay, so here's the Master Coach speaking now. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at the parts familiarisation, as Miles said. So Miles, you just point to what you think you know on this boiler. So away, you can start.
Okay. So here we've got the pump. Here's the gas valve on this boiler. The condense trap. This is a main heat exchanger with the burner inside. The fan. The flue sensor.
Yeah, flue stack, yeah.
Flue stack. Central heating sensor up here.
Yeah, that's it. Well done.
The flow turbine.
Yeah.
The plate heat exchanger in the back over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Some more parts now. Here is the flow unit. This black part. Here is the hot water sensor. It's the same colour as the central heating sensor on the top. Here's the drain point. This part here. This part is the divert valve
Motor, yeah,
motor.
that's it. Yeah, that's it. And what's that in front of you?
Pressure gauge.
Yep. Quite high at the moment, but we'll look into that in a minute.
Okay. And the circuit board in this part here.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a PCB in there. That's it. I think that's you covering most parts there. There's a part right at the back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right at the back. It's got them orange wires going to it. But what we'll do, if you don't know, we're going to do another test now. So this little test, a bit of a quiz actually, and other people can join in this little quiz. So Miles, what I want you to do, I'm going to call out a letter, and I want you to tell me what parts associate with that letter, what you can remember.
Right, okay.
So we're going to start off with A. What do you think A is in parts?
The actuator motor. The air pressure switch.
That's what that is up there.
Is it? Right, okay.
Yep. Anything else?
The auto air vent.
Yep. That's what that is there, at the back there.
This.
Yep.
Right, okay.
If you can't remember anything else, we'll go on to another letter.
Yeah.
Let's D.
D. The diverter valve.
Yeah.
And the diverter valve cartridge. That's all I can remember from that letter.
Okay. So if you can remember anything else, guys, you can drop us a post in the comments box. If you can know what D is anymore for D. What about, let's see, F?
Well, we've got the fan.
Yeah,
We've also got the flow turbine, which
yeah,
I identified. Also the flame sensing electrode,
yeah.
which I'm not too sure where it is on this boiler.
It's right at the back, at the top. Yeah, that's it. Anything else with F?
Flame supervision device
Yep, okay.
and sensing lead.
Yep. If you can't remember anymore, that's fine. We'll do another one. Let's see. G.
The gas valve.
Yep. That's it, yeah. We'll go to another one. What about, let's see, we could do, we've done D, let's see, we'll do H.
H. Well, got the Hall effect sensor.
Okay. It's not, you can't see one on here.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, that's one. Any more?
The
What about right in front of you?
hot water sensor.
Well, yeah, hot water sensor, yeah. That's... Any more? Again, you can still jump in on these guides. If you know any more, you can drop us a comment in the comments box. And we'll do one more. Let's see. Let's see, we could do, let's see, I. Let's do I.
Well, we've got the isolation valves,
Yeah,
which are down below.
yeah, on the flow return. That's it, yeah.
The ignition electrode.
Yeah, well done.
Also,
Again, it's fine, you're doing well. So, that's it. So if you want to know any more, you can, as I said, drop us a comment to see if you can help out, if you can help us with our education of Miles on his journey to becoming a masterful engineer.
I've learnt all these parts on the Masterful Engineering boiler repair course, so if you're a young guy like me wanting to become a masterful engineer, then I really do recommend this course to learn this information fairly quickly and take it in well. If you'd like to find out more, click on the link in the description, and also make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment on this video. Also, click the bell for more notifications for videos like this.